Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. Today I will teach you the Yogasana which can help you to improve your good health. So let's start everyone.
The first asana is Parivarta Paschimottanasana. So in this asana you have to sit on the floor with stretch out your both leg in front of you. Now place your right hand outside of your left leg. Then place your left hand over your head and try to hold the toes. And slowly twist your trunk towards your left side. This asana is very much helpful to stretch and lengthen the muscles of spine, shoulder and arms. Okay, those who have back pain try to avoid this asana. Next asana is Baddha Konasana. So in this asana also you have to sit on the floor with stretch out your both legs in front of you. Now slowly fold your both the legs and try to join both the feet. Fold your both the feet. Close your eyes and in this time make sure that your thigh should be connected with the ground. Your backbone should be straight. So this asana is very much helpful to relieve depression, anxiety and fatigue. And those who have thigh muscle injury try to avoid this asana. Third one is Hanumanasana. So in this asana you have to keep your right leg towards your back and left leg forward. Now slowly stretch your both the leg. Now join your both the palm in front of your chest and slowly twist your trunk towards your right side. This asana is very much helpful to stretch the thigh and hamstring muscles, and this is the best test of leg flexibility at the hip. Those who have leg injuries try to avoid this exercise. Next one is Setu Bandhasana. So in this asana you have to lie down on your back, then slowly fold your both leg and hold your ankle, then slowly raise your middle part body towards the sky. This exercise helps to stretch the chest, neck, spine and hip muscles, and it helps to improve blood circulation. Those who have back pain should avoid this asana, and those who have leg injury should avoid this asana. Last one is Janu Shirasana. So in this asana also you have to sit on the floor with stretch out your both leg in front of you, then slowly fold your right leg and raise your both the hand over your head and slowly bend forward and try to touch your forehead with your left leg. This asana is very much helpful to improve digestion and stimulate the liver and kidneys. Those who have back pain, they should avoid this asana.
So dear students, I will request you to do the exercise regularly and as your responsibility to inspire your family members to do the exercise regularly for their good health. So bye everyone.